What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. It's your boy Duramax Outlaw. In today's video, I'll be changing out my key fob. As you can see, it's old. Just want to upgrade it, look better. It halfway works. It locks, but it doesn't unlock. It takes to unlock it. So we're gonna use the one that just came in the mail today. We're gonna set this one up. Boost Auto parts. Let's open it. And set it up. So, first things first. Hold down the unlock button. Cycle your key twice. Alright, waiting for that sound. Now you're gonna hold the lock and unlock button on the key fob. Wait for about a good 10 seconds. Alright, that's what we wanted to hear. There we go. Just like that. Unlock. Lock. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe.